Alright, what's up everyone? I'm here to bring you a very important update on Cardano. ADA, I see something extremely interesting happening with Cardano. That being, we were in this descending triangle, broke out bullishly here. In this ascending triangle here, broke out bullishly. And as well, we are in the last major ascending triangle for Cardano before we have a bullish breakout. If Cardano can get and close above 40 cents, I believe it is very likely to fly very soon. And with Chainlink having broken above all-time highs on some exchanges, I believe it is a matter of time before the good altcoins, arguably like Cardano, are likely to pump. I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if we hit 60 cents in the near future. Once Ethereum can close above all-time highs and sustain that, guys, I think the altcoins are flying. I think alt season is around the corner. Bitcoin has has about doubled its all-time highs. Bitcoin leads the market. Ethereum leads the altcoins. ADA is in this super macro ascending triangle, very likely to have a breakout within the next 2 weeks here. I would wager that we're likely to see a big move within the next week. We need to keep an eye out for Ethereum, obviously, but also Bitcoin dominance in the dollar index. Whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, the altcoins typically suffer. Whenever it falls, the altcoins typically benefit. Recently, we've broken below major support at the 68, and I think we're likely to continue falling. Like if we look here at the daily here, look at this. We got rejected off. If we extend based off these two bottoms here, kind of like an ascending triangle situation, guys, we could really fall here. Another thing we need to consider is the dollar index, the DXY. Whenever the dollar rises, other currencies such as crypto suffers. It's a direct correlation because of the pairs. So I don't think anything's happened to make the dollar fundamentally stronger. The Americans have printed trillions of dollars, and they're going to continue, which is going to continue to devalue their currency. And when the DXY goes for that another leg down, which I think is very probable in my opinion, I think that's going to be a factor that helps crypto to pump. So, guys, let's take a look here at our indicators. What's the 1 hour saying? RSI neutral, MACD extremely neutral, stochastic bullish crossover, momentum waves, we're super neutral, guys, which makes sense because we're right up against major resistance at 40 cents, and we broke out bullishly and have support right below us. I kind of like the 35-36 cent region with these peaks here. So let's take a look at the macro picture. I want to see what the macro picture is saying. Okay, ooh, macro downtrend, guys. Bearish crossover in the 6th hour. RSI making lower highs. Stochastic on its way down. Honestly, thank God I took a look at the more macro picture while recording this video, because guys, given what I've just seen here, I think something like this is completely possible. Because the market is macro bullish, but I'm seeing this with a few coins. Bearish crossovers on the MACD on the larger time frames. That's not nothing, guys. That can't be ignored. Like, when's the last time we had a bearish crossover? Here is when we had a bearish crossover in the MACD, which coincides with this price action, and look what happened afterwards. We fell. So given that last time we corrected like this, and last time we had that bearish crossover, we found support on the 100 EMA on the 6 hour, I'd wager that this time around we're likely to find support on the 100 EMA on the 6 hour, which, would you look at that, just so happens to coincide with the lower extremities of my ascending triangle here and my purple box accumulation zone. It is almost like I kind of know what I'm talking about. It's almost like that. Also, a lot of volume being traded in these regions. So guys, if Cardano falls to 32 cents, 30 to 32 cents, which I think at this point is actually probable, guys, this would kind of be the accumulation zone for myself. If we can hold above the 100 EMA on the 6 hour and this green line, I think we're going to trend bullishly. If Ethereum can keep together, if Bitcoin and Ethereum can keep it together, not completely collapse, and if Ethereum can maintain its all-time highs and break above that, I think it's just a matter of time before the altcoins explode. Again, I think 60 cents is my kind of like short to mid-term price target if we break out bullishly. If we break out bearishly, if we cannot hold the 32 to 30 cents, I think we're retesting the mid-20s. So, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to notify new uploads. We'll be breaking down all your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run. We've been calling it perfectly. Well, I'm close to perfect. I mean, we've been calling it insanely well. check out our Discord group. We have a signal section. Take a look at our tweets, the signals we've been posting there, which we call them signals. We're not really. It's not even. It's completely free, guys. Like, it's not a paid thing. It's not even signals. It's just like setups we're looking at. Really, we should probably even just call it setups. But like, look at our setups, guys. We've been on point. Look at the videos with Chainlink, Polkadot. I mean, Cardano. We've been calling it amazing. So, guys, you got to stay tuned to this channel. We're gonna be breaking down all your favorite cryptos all throughout this bull run, as well. This pitchfork, I believe, will be valid. The lower extremities of this pitchfork, I think, will act as at the very least temporary support, which kind of coincides with the 50 EMA here on the 6 hour. So I think we would find at least temporary support even here. But I think really the most strong support for ADA here is 32 cents to 30 cents. A lot of sideways price action, a lot of volume. 100 EMA on the 6 hour would be right about there if we assume time would pass on. So I think that's kind of like the most important support range for Cardano. If we break below that, it's very bad news bears, very no bueno. This purple box is my accumulation zone. If I was looking to accumulate, I would wait to see if we can break down until we hit this like purple box here. Yeah, I'll wrap it up there, guys. Take care.